once again.
Okay guys, working on a Crown stock picker 3400. It has no steering. So first things you want to check is your steering motor. Make sure that the brushes are okay. The way to check the brushes is take these two out right here. This pops up. You want to check that the gears down here are okay. That those gears are okay. Lift it up with the jack. Make sure that this is spinning correctly. If that's all good, come up to the front. Okay, I'm going to check your steering feedback and quarter. That's inside of here. Okay, it's this cable here. If you're steering and nothing happens, that's what it is. Take the screw out. Okay. The encoder's back here. There's an Allen wrench back here, and there's one here. Take both of those out. This slides out. Replace it, and that's pretty much it. Put it back together, and it should spin. See how it turns all the way. And that's good. If you have a stock picker and you're turning the wheel and this doesn't turn at all, then replace this encoder right here. If for whatever reason you have a code 202 through 208, most likely it's this encoder here. This is what reads the rotations of the wheel right here with the motor. Hope this helps. Hey guys, thank you for checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow, and so I can be able to put further videos out. Comment down below any problems, any videos that you guys might want to see next. You know, how-to videos, tips and tricks, suggestions, anything tool related.